Hi everyone, this is just a short video to show you how to get to your SubDay portal. When you normally go on to my home page, you see the circles here, and usually you would click on your grade level. There is now a portal right down here at the bottom. You can see it. It says SubDay Portal, and it's red and underlined. So you just click there. And it will bring you eventually to here. All right, for today and this next couple weeks, this is where you will come to see your typing club. You have it. If you are second grade, you have to click here. If you are third, fourth, and fifth, you have to click here to use your typing club. If you go into the wrong link, you will not be able to get into the account. Down here are the hour of code choices. So that's how you get there. I hope you guys do a good job, and I expect to get a good report.